So we're going to change the recoil on this chainsaw. The easier if you put it on your side. There's 4 screws, short bolts holding it in, 1 in each corner. There's a 4mm Allen key in the kit to do this, but I'm just using mine for convenience. So we need to remove all the 4 bolts. Like so. Then the recoil will just come away. That's the recoil. You can see where it mounts. To refit it, it's just the same process. Push it back on. You may have to just pull the recoil for it to slot back home. Then we can put the screws back in. Once you've got them all 4 bolts located, we can just tighten up them. And that is the recoil changed.